Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the Crypto.com app and confirming you're logged into the correct account. This prevents linking the wrong wallet. Once done, open Google Authenticator on your phone to confirm it's installed. Next, navigate in Crypto.com to security, then two-factor authentication. Choose Google Authenticator as the method. You do this now because initiating a QR scan is time-sensitive and tied to the specific session. You will now scan the QR code with Google Authenticator. Tap Setup in Crypto.com, then choose Scan QR. Align the QR in Authenticator's camera view and add the account. The app will immediately start generating time-based codes. Make sure to copy or photograph the backup key shown before finalizing. Store it offline, such as on paper in a safe. You do this because the backup key is the only recovery path if your phone is lost or reset. You finish by entering a fresh 6-digit code from Google Authenticator into Crypto.com to verify linkage. This confirms time sync and correct secret exchange. After success, log out and back in to test the flow so you know how sign-in will work in future. If something goes wrong, use the backup key you saved to restore the account in Authenticator on a new device. If that key was not saved, contact Crypto.com support immediately and be prepared with identity verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.